Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting one, a super exciting one. I always know when it's gonna be a banger because I tease it on my Instagram stories and I see the response. I did a little mini haul on my Instagram and everyone was obsessed. So I just know this one you're gonna love. Asos and Weekday. The pieces from Weekday shocked me because I have a few things here and there from Weekday, but what I picked up for this haul or what's gonna be in this haul, crazy. The pieces from Asos, crazy. Such gems, and now it's kind of ignited this unbelievable fire in me and I keep buying coats and I keep buying cute stuff. If you're new here, hello, my name is Uche, welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. I get a lot of questions on jewellery. Damn, I'm gonna go put my rings on. I will actually leave all the jewellery in the description bar below with links and discount codes if you are interested in anything. Right, let's just get straight into today's video. Oh, this makeup as well. I filmed a tutorial on this makeup which will be coming soon, so I will leave that linked when it comes. I think this will probably come before the makeup, so I'll leave it linked when it comes. I have been going to town on the shopping sprees. Okay, shopping makes me happy. I love to shop. I love shopping for clothes. It makes me happy. So it means that you guys get loads and loads of hauls. And coincidentally, Boris has just announced that we're coming out of full lockdown and we're going into tier 2, which in other words means we are free. Let me tell you guys something. I have a couple of pieces from Weekday, but I have been sleeping on Weekday and I am awake. My eyes are open. So I think I'm gonna start with the Weekday stuff because the Weekday stuff is so impressive. I think with Asos, people kind of know what to expect from Asos. When you find a gem on Asos, you really find a gem. But with Weekday, listen, I was sleeping, but now I'm awake and now I'm about to put you guys on. As usual, I will show them. Maybe on this side, maybe on this side, me trying them on so you can see. Let's start with the best, one of my favorites from today's haul. It is these trousers. Honestly, on the model, it didn't look like anything on at all. It did not look like anything to write home about. I actually saw this because Makai, she's always going about Weekday first and foremost. I've watched maybe 2 Weekday hauls from her. The most recent one she did, the gems that she was dropping, I said add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. I was this close to returning them because they're not high-waisted. I love our high-waisted trousers. They sit just below the belly button. So I was looking at it and I was like, I don't know. And then I turned around, bitch, I turned around and this makes your bum look like it is sitting. Like your bum is sitting. This satin material, roost trousers. Satin material, nice slim fit. This is one of those things that you have in your wardrobe that you know, I don't really know what to wear, that you know you can pair it with a crop top. You can pair it with a blazer. You can pair it with a shirt. You can pair it with one of the, like this top, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. You could pair it with this kind of crop top. Just so many ways, so many wonderful ways to be worn. I really like this. This is definitely one of my favorites from today's haul. If you're gonna buy anything, definitely pick this up. I will say though, this is why I always tell you guys to follow me on Instagram, because I posted it on Instagram and the small and the mediums have already sold out. Alice messaged me before I put the link on my story. She was like, please can you send me the link because I know as soon as you post it, it's gonna sell out. And lo and behold, smalls were gone, mediums were gone. This is lush. If you miss out on this, please don't cry, don't beg, don't come to me, none of that, okay? Add it to the, pause this video, go and add it to the, you know, wait, come and see what else I got. But this you need. This is so beautiful. I absolutely love this. I had to get this top in a small because extra small was sold out. So ideally I would have gone with extra small. It's a nice, thick, comfortable rib. So actually it worked out really well. It doesn't fit too loose. It fits kind of okay. But if you are usually my kind of size, if you usually use me for sizing, I would say go with an extra small, but it might be sold out. So I had to get the small. This is lovely. High neck, and you can zip it all the way to the top. And it's got one of those mismatched zips or asymmetric zips where it zips up and it zips all the way inside. Long sleeve, high neck, really nice, comfortable knit. Again, another one that you can wear. When I buy stuff, I buy it with the mind to wear with a few things. It's very rare that I'll buy something that you can only be worn in a certain kind of way. That's just not a good value for money for me. And this is actually weather appropriate because I feel like recently I've not been showing things that are weather appropriate. Love that. I've got 2 pairs of skew hem bottoms. The material is a formal material, like a formal trouser, but I love the way these fit. I love it. These with Doc Martens. Chef's kiss. Doc Martens, a turtleneck, and then the jacket I'm going to show you. Gorgeous outfit. Gorgeous. 3 reasons I like this. The skewed waistband, I love. A split bottom, which I'm obsessed with. But the quality of this is shambolic. Can you see that? Like the hem is, it's almost like it's been ripped. This has definitely been ripped. It's not meant to be like that. I'm gonna keep it because I kind of like the way it looks, but I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. I do not think it is supposed to be like that. Can you see that? That is absolutely dreadful. What was the third reason I like this? I like the skewed, the split hems, and I also like this little button detail. I like the button detailing, but I don't think that's what I was gonna say. But I love these trousers. These trousers are gorgeous. So beautiful. If you're a city babe, like a working office babe, you can definitely wear this in the office with a black turtleneck. That's how I would wear it. A non-city babe, just a babe that likes to wear nice trousers. These are just nice trousers. Like I would just wear these on a casual. Wear them with Converse, wear them with Doc Martens. I like these. These are very lovely. There's a little gape at the back, so I'm gonna get them altered. I have to get a few things altered. So I'm just gonna throw them in the pile with this. Oh guys, this shocked me. I like to get long Madaxi dresses, or I just call them maxi dresses to be honest. I love maxi ribbed dresses. Rib, long, black dresses. That is my bag because it's easy to just put it on. I love crop jackets and they always look good with crop jackets. So that's why I picked up this maxi dress. The way this forms on the body, so flattering. Because it's ribbed, you already know. Anything ribbed, you already know is gonna fit 99% times better than something that's just like a normal fabric. I got this in an extra small so it fits really nice and just snug on the body. I love this. Can't wait to wear this. If you're worried about wearing it in the winter, I like to finesse short sleeves like this with a turtleneck. So you just put a turtleneck underneath and then put this over top. It's like fashion, but also you're warm. If you're a babe like me and you don't mind getting your arms cold because you're going to wear a long jacket, then you can just wear it as it is. Absolutely beautiful. And I think it's only £20. And this was my first order from the Weekday website, so I got 15% off as like an introductory price. When I'm ordering from a website for the first time, I always look out for the sign up for the mailing list and get a discount. If you've never ordered from Weekday before, make sure you sign up for the mailing list because you will probably get 15% off. So this was actually less than £20 for me. What is that, £3? 15% of 20 is 3. So I actually got this for £17, which I think is very good. This is a crop blazer. I've seen these crop blazers everywhere on the Instagram streets. The girlies have been eating up the crop blazers, and the reason I'm probably going to take this back is I feel like maybe I got too big of a size because the crop is like an awkward length. It's not properly cropped. It's like the length of a top. It just falls short of the length of a top. Probably wear it not buttoned up if I was going to wear it at all. So in the cutout, I've paired it with the maxi dress just so you can see how it looks. Very good quality. I believe I also got a size 8 in this. How do I know the UK? They've got European sizes on this, not UK sizes. I'm fairly sure I got a size 8 in this. I would say size down because it's very oversized. Kind of feel like I'm swimming in this one. I'll be really honest. I'm not sure that the tailoring of this one fits me. If you've got a longer torso, it might work for you, but I'm longer in the legs. I'm all legs, not so much torso. If you have a longer torso, you might be able to finesse that one. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be that awkward length. The length seems a little bit awkward to me. I love these. I got these. I would say this is just like an original denim. Blue denim, not light blue, just like a normal blue denim pair of jeans. Again with the, well, they call it skew. I know them to be called asymmetric hems. Can you see that? Like a mismatch hem. They call it skew, I call it asymmetric. It can also be called mismatch. This I got in a waist 27, length 32. I really love these. They do also have a light denim wash and they have a, what would you call this, a mid blue? I don't know, but they have a light denim wash and they also have a dark denim. I swear, whenever I hold stuff up, it throws off the colouring. I'm really trying hard not to have the colouring thrown off. I paired this with the zip top and also a jacket that I'm going to show you guys in a minute if I haven't already spoilt it. But the jackets in this haul, sensational. Anyway, yeah, love these jeans from Weekday. Bought a pair of skew jeans from a different retailer and I was talking about it on my Instagram story, and I did have a few people saying that Weekday do really nice asymmetric slash skew. I'm just gonna call them asymmetric. They do really nice asymmetric hem jeans. So I'm really glad I got these. Scooting over to Asos, we'll start with the normal clothing items and we'll end with the jackets. There isn't actually that much from Asos. I've only got 5 things here. So the first is this, Americans call it a romper. We call it unitard. It's just this, it's actually for training, yoga unitard. So it's a Nike yoga unitard. I got this because of the halter neck, because I love me a halter neck, and because of the low back. Halter neck, low back is my favorite combo. I just love the way this looks. Extra small. Annoyingly, I bought this full price and then it went down in the Black Friday sale. 50 something pounds and it's gone down £30. So if you want to cop it, this is a good time. I think I might actually work to get this video out before Black Friday madness ends. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, yeah. If it goes up sometimes this weekend, you guys will be able to see it anyway. I actually bought this mainly for the summer, like spring, summer season. But when I see things that I like, I just buy them, because there's so many times in the past I've seen things that I've liked, I've not bought them and I've regretted it. So I saw this and I was like, yeah, need that. Worst comes to worst, I'll just keep this in my wardrobe until March when the weather starts picking up again. Or I'll just wear it around the house, to be honest. Leather trousers are all the rave at the moment. These leather trousers I got from Asos, but they are from Bershka. And I believe they are still available on the Bershka website. So I'll link the Asos one and I'll also link the Bershka pair, and then I might link some alternatives, because they might both be sold out by the time this goes up. Basically, I bought a pair of leather trousers, very, very similar to this actually, if not identical, from Zara, but they just fit horribly. Gaping everywhere, gaping at the back, gaping at the crotch, awful. I think again it's for like the really tall girls, awful on me. But this pair from Asos, from Bershka via Asos, gorgeous. I think because of the zipper, it controls the snatchness around the waist. It really snatches you in, really makes you look lovely. Oh, bum looks lovely, waist looks lovely, and it's comfortable. I decided to go for a size small in this one. I got a pair of chocolate leggings from Asos, pull and bear but from Asos, and I think I got extra small because that was the only size available. And now there's a little hole, it fits, but now there's a little hole in the crotch area, which basically says it doesn't fit. It fits, but it doesn't fit, because if it really fit, there wouldn't be a hole in the crotch. So I learnt my lesson and this time went for a small. Small fits excellently. So if you're using me for a size reference, stick to your normal size, do not size down. If it's sold out, wait for it to come back. So with Asos, you can do that thing where you do notifications and then they will send you a notification when it's back in stock. So that's what I did for these Bershka trousers. I also did it for one of these jackets that I'm about to show you. A pair of jeans, I saw these on Sophia Tuxford. I saw these on her Instagram, ripped jeans. I love these because they are long. Do you know how difficult it is to find loose, wide leg jeans like this that are long? Usually they're too short. I love to wear Converse, I love to wear Doc Martens, I love to wear Jordans with these type of jeans. So I need them to be long enough so they're kind of baggy at the bottom, so they sit in a kind of relaxed way on the shoe. I don't want it to be like levitating over the shoe. That is not a vibe, that's not cute. It looks better when it kind of like sits, you know what I mean? When the bottom sits on the shoe like this, as opposed to when it's just levitating like that on the shoe. You guys know what I mean. For reference, I am 5'5", and these would probably fit comfortably up to 5'8", 9". I'm telling you, these are very, very long. I went for a lighter wash on this one because obviously I got the mid wash on the Bershka jeans, so I thought I would go for a light wash on the Asos jeans. Obsessed, love these, obsessed, can't wait to wear them. These I can wear right into summer as well because of the rips. I can wear these into the summer. I mean, people wear jeans in the summer anyway. Our summer isn't really hot, so I don't know why I'm concerned about that. The next portion is the coats. I've only got two. They might be small, but they are mighty. They are insane. Let's start with this one. Oh my god. So when I bought this, I actually thought it was, let me move so you can really, can you see that? Oh my god. Sweet mother of God. She is stunning. I thought it was black, but it's khaki and it's got a hood. It's got a hood. It's just amazing. It's excellent. I'll obviously leave like the video of me wearing it so you can see. So I got this in a UK 10 and it fits spectacular, and it's from the petite range. Fur trim on the sleeve. I love the fur trim around here, and you can also style it by buttoning up. But I've never been so pleased with a jacket purchase in my life, except from this one. This one, oh my god. Girl, this is amazing. This is truly spectacular. Like, I am so obsessed with this. Oh my god, I love it so much. This one is part of the Leanne Pinnock collaboration or style edit with Asos. This is gorgeous and it's really, really long. You can obviously see it in the cutout. Both of these jackets are just absolutely stunning. Love, obsessed. Oh, like, I just love them. Let me even put this one on right now. I love it. This might be the most incredible coat I've ever worn in my life. No, that's a joke, but it's up there. Like, this is definitely my favorite coat right now. Like, can you cope? I'm truly obsessed. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this on because we're about to wrap up today's video. If you're gonna bookmark anything, you need to bookmark this. because I'd seen this coat on the Asos website and I was just like, whatever. And then I kept seeing people styling it on Instagram, and something went off in my head. I said, I need to go and buy this coat, because if I don't buy this coat, this bitch is gonna sell out on me and then I'm gonna be mad. That's happened 3 times now in like the past 2 weeks, where I've seen a coat, kind of discredited it, seen people styling it, and then been like, yeah, actually no, I need that. And then when I've gone back, it's been sold out. And when something's sold out, you can't save it to get the notifications, so it's just gone. It's gone. But I said, not this time, not this time, Satan, I will not carry last. And that is the end of today's haul. As I said, I'm obsessed with basically everything, with the exception of the crop blazer. I'm not over the moon with how it's cropped. Everything else, I'm obsessed. You are going to be seeing these clothes in rotation. I'm looking at 3 Zara boxes right now. I'm looking at these Zara boxes and I'm deeping that the stuff in this haul is so much nicer than the Zara stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved it. Let me know your favourite pieces. Let me know which ones you're going to be purchasing, which one you're adding to your wish list, which one is going straight into the cart. Let me know. I'm going to be in the comments. Come and talk to me. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!